Well, hello Divi Nation, and welcome to our next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team straight to you. And this week we have for you an exciting new wedding engagement layout pack. This layout pack has elegant and unique page layouts that are going to be super helpful for getting your wedding engagement site up and running quickly. These include a gallery page for your photos, a story page for sharing the couple's story, and an RSV page for capturing those RSV submissions online. The contact and RSV forms mimic the design of an invitation card, which is a nice touch, and the story page has a beautiful timeline that's easily updated. And I love the countdown timer under the RSV page. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, go over to Divi, Theme Options, then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and then click Save Changes. After that, you'll have access to all the pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages with their corresponding layouts. To do that, go over to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Next, you'll want to select Choose a Pre-Made Layout. In the Load from Library pop-up, scroll down and find the Wedding Engagement Layout Pack and click it. There you'll see all of the pages included in the pack here on the right, and with a nice little preview of that page on the left. Select the one you want, and when you're ready, go ahead and click the button Use this layout. Once the layout has loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. Now you're going to want to continue this same process to create all of your pages, and then add your pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. Once done, you're ready to create a new menu for your website. To do that, go over to your WordPress dashboard and then navigate to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. Over here on the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all the ones that you want to include in your menu, and then click Add to Menu. In the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. And don't forget to set your display location to Primary Menu, and then click Save Menu. And one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page, and for the home page, select the home page with your homepage pre-made layout, and then go ahead and save changes. Now your website is up and running with the new Wedding Engagement Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.